Mama June and Chickadee are at each other's throats, and it is very legal now. Hey, this is Gary. So, Anna Chickadee Cardwell, Mama June's eldest daughter, the one, if you remember, if you're paying attention, who was sexually molested by Mark McDaniel, who Mama June ended up getting into a relationship with after he was released from prison for said molestation, and ended up canceling the show. Anna has now sued Mama June and TLC, claiming that she hasn't been paid almost $300,000 worth of money she claims was owed to her from episodes of Here Come Honey Boo Boo. Now, she is saying that June has been bilking money from her and spending it on other things, and that she is owed this money. June, on the other hand, says that Anna is full of it. Said that not only has Anna been paid all the money that she was owed, but there was actually accounts set up in her name. TLC actually went the extra step. They helped set up accounts for the children to make sure that they were taken care of, so this would never happen. But apparently when Anna turned 18, she was getting money from her account. June was giving her money to pay for cell phone bills, pay for rent. June actually also paid out Anna the rest of her account after the show got canceled. It was like $15,000 and change. Anna says that she is owed way more money than that. I think she's got kind of a long shot here. Everything has been written out and everything was taken care of by direct deposits. It's all well accounted for. But the slim chance that Anna is owed the money, she can collect a pretty big payday. We haven't heard from TLC yet, but like I've said in the past, they have gone the extra mile to make sure that everybody was taken care of in the first place. But things are getting brutal down in Georgia, and you know, they don't have the TV show anymore. Obviously, it looks like Anna is trying to scramble for some money, and suing her mom is definitely a last-ditch effort.
Hi guys, this is Anna. I want you guys to subscribe to our YouTube page because we have lots of super fun videos coming up, and you know, you guys can put down in the comments like what sort of funny stuff you guys want us. Give me that pillow. Subscribe.